Welcome back. Look at this Samsung. Screen is broken and falling off. Let's fix it. First, I need to open the phone. Cleaning the frame. New screen is here. It looks great. Removing the film. I have to be very careful here. Applying the glue. Not too much, not too little. Putting the screen in. It fits perfectly. Now the rubber bands. We need to wait for the glue to dry. While we wait, I will clean the back cover and the frame. The glue is dry. Now I can put the phone back together. Installing the frame. Now I need to put back all the screws. Adding glue for the back cover. Almost done. The back cover is back on. One more time with the bands. I want a perfect seal. Leaving it to dry for a few hours. Removing the bands. The glue is perfectly dry. Let's turn it on. Everything looks great. If you like this repair, please subscribe for more.